All right, so on this video, I'm going to show you how to flow in Itende. So today I have this XPS10, and I thought since it's got some built-in Itende sound, I might as well take this opportunity and to show you how you can first let's look at how to flow in Itende. Maybe you might be interested in flowing for the pastor, or maybe during intercession, and sometimes you find yourself having to play in crusades, and you find that this is South Africa. We know that Itende is very big. It's very big, especially in the Christian community, just like Mapiano it is in a secular as a secular music. So first let's look at how to flow, or how you can flow for when someone is praying, or even when the preacher is preaching. And I'm just gonna show you a simple chords that I use, right? And I'm just gonna use F sharp, demonstrating these movements, because it looks like most of you guys are using actually F sharp, right? So okay, so here's how it goes. So I'm gonna play this first, and after I play this, I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna take my time, break down chord by chord, show you the chords that I am playing, right? So on this video, I'm gonna break down every chord that I'm using, some of the chords that I use when I flow, whenever I'm playing Itende. So I'm starting from 4. So I'm just gonna play, and then from there I'll break it down. Let's go. And sometimes, sometimes when the preacher is preaching, or when someone is praying, right, the more they press on, they also press you. You might find yourself also like playing some other chords here. So you have to, and that is a skill. The more when they go louder, you also kind of like increase the volume here, your touch as well. So that is a skill. So let's break down the chords that I'm playing. I don't want to make this video long. We're in the key of F sharp, right? And I'm using XPS10, yeah, and I'm using Itende sound. So first I'm playing for, let me just play it here. Well, let me just do this. Yeah, just gonna put the octave there. Just put back the octave. So I'm playing 4 simple chords. On my left hand, where I'm going to 5. On my right hand, I'm going to the second inversion of 1, right? Remember your inversions. This is your root chord of 1. First inversion, second inversion, right? So, and I'm doing this movement here with my pinky, which has some nice touch to it. So it's like, if I go to that second inversion of 1, I'm just playing, the notes that I'm playing is 4, 5, 4, 3, then second inversion of 1. Then I'm going to 5, I'm playing the root note of 5. Then I'm playing 1. And I repeat the same thing over and over again. Another thing that I do, I will just add this C sharp minor, right? This C sharp minor. So if I go to 4, I'll play this C sharp minor, right? So here's how it goes. On my left hand, you just in numbers, I'm just gonna call it sharp 6, and then on my right hand, I'm playing, the notes that I'm playing is 5, sharp 6, and then 2, and this gives me C sharp minor, C sharp minor. Before I go to 4, right? Slowly. Then when I move across the inversions, right? I can do this here. And this is something that you can play, and there are a lot of progressions that you can play, you know, during prayer or during sermon. This is one of the simplest progression that you can play. And look, you'll never get tired of this. The more, what I've noticed is that when you like playing a certain progression, the more you play it, you start getting some ideas. So just allow yourself and your creativity as well. While you're playing this progression, you might, you know, be pressed to go to a certain chord that might even align with this. Like in this case, I added the C sharp minor, right? And there might be a lot. Another thing that I did was to play this A sharp diminished chord, right? So instead of playing C sharp minor, I'm playing this A sharp diminished. So basically, I'm using this as more like a passing chords, right? Going to 4. So this one, if you don't want to play this C sharp minor and you prefer to play this A sharp minor, on my left hand I'm just pressing 3, and on my right hand I'm just playing that. So this is what makes the difference, right? When I'm playing C sharp minor, this chord here, C sharp, I mean 6 sharp is still there, and then when I'm playing A sharp diminished, I'm still playing this 6 sharp, 3, and then 5, right? That gives me A sharp minor. And the more you play, the more you get comfortable, you get creative, and yeah, you will enjoy it. I hope this helped. Before we close off this video, let's do the same thing in C sharp, right? We did it in F sharp. Let's do it in C sharp. So this is for my guys that plays in C sharp. So basically, same thing from 4. Going to 5. Then I'm going to 1. Slowly, let's go again from 4. Then, sorry, it's 4, 5. Right? with C sharp, I see that it allows, like, the movements are pretty much easier. And let me know what you think. I think that most guys that play Itende, guys that we know, like, there are a lot of guys like that are very, very, very good in South Africa. I'm not one of those guys. Like, most of the time, I don't play Itende. Um, most of the time when I play Itende is when I'm playing in a crusade, but there are some guys that are playing Itende almost every Sunday or like every week, right? And they are very good. And I think that most of them, they are playing is either in C sharp or A flat, right? Um, um, or F sharp. Actually, all those keys in the sharps, right? Yeah. Okay, let's close off this video by playing the same movement in A flat. I have not seen a lot of guys saying that do this song in A flat, but let's just throw it out there because I know there might be a couple of guys that are playing in A flat only for now. So let's just do that for them. So it's gonna start from 4. Just tune this down. Okay. Again slowly, 4, then going to 5, then we go back to our F sharp. Right, and that's it, guys. This is how you can flow in Itende sound when someone is praying, or even for yourself. Sometimes you might want to just have that time with the Lord, and maybe you prefer sometimes just to soak in the Spirit. And if you have the keyboard, why not? As you're meditating, as you're soaking in the presence of God, play something for you as well. That will help you to flow in the Spirit. Or that can be something that you play in the church as well, or for the preacher as well. When they say "Come on, Jesus," and then you can play this progression in addition to what you already have. I hope this helped, and I hope you enjoy this. Cool.